everybody, we're here at the Audubon Society getting started with the project of the ballot bin. So I'm here with Micah,
Hey guys, how's
Park
it going?
Tech, and what are you guys doing over here?
So we've got these cigarette butt cans, that way people can properly dispose of their cigarette butts. And what Graham is doing here, he's working on our anchoring system. So on the back here, we just installed these eye bolts. What we're going to do is we're going to run a piece of cable through the eye bolts. We're going to hammer these pieces of, we call them U-posts, into the ground. We're going to fish the cable through one of these holes here, through the eye bolts. That way it's less likely or harder for them to steal.
Nice,
That's
nice.
the plan.
All right.
And, we're going to see how it works.
Cool. And we've got Mr. K here. What's that next to you, Mr. K?
Hey, this is our ballot bin that our students essentially worked on and helped to fundraise. And this is our project that the kids decided to do this year. So very excited to share this off. And this is our kind of contribution to nature and to our community.